This is part 3 of messages that have a sum total letter value using the 26 letters of the English alphabet in their ordinal value that equal 154. The sum total letter value of each message equals 154. The reason why 154 is so important and so special is because it's the anagram numbers of the Hebrew word Israel. Israel has a Hebrew Gematria value, sum total, of 541. So it's the same 3 numbers. And God uses anagrams all the time in letting us observe His divine order. So this is going to be part 3. Part 1, I showed how the music was used to reveal the exact nature of music and its part in corrupting the youth. And what's going to be shown today is just how far it's come. And it's going to really feature a rapper with the name Lil Uzi Vert. And if you say it real fast, which I'll show you, I used the computer to speed it up. Lil Uzi Vert. It's basically saying Lucifer, saying it fast. And he was a big fan of Marilyn Manson. That was his inspiration. So watch this video all the way to the end, and I'm sure that you'll see there's a divine order
in this chaos.
Lil Uzi Vert, sum total letter value is 154. An evil spirit has a sum total letter value of 154 as well. Saying Lil Uzi Vert very fast reveals the name Lucifer.
Lil Uzi Vert. 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 Lil Uzi Vert.
Israel has a Hebrew Gematria letter value sum total of 541. This is also the number of units that create the Star of David geometry, 541 units. 541 is the anagram numbers of the messages used in this 3-part series, 154. God uses anagram numbers to let us observe a divine order in the chaos of this world. Fibonacci numbers has a sum total letter value of 154. 1 plus 5 plus 4 is 10. 1 and 0. This is the very beginning first 2 numbers of the Fibonacci sequence. Out of the ether, 0 comes 1. 1 is duplicated. 1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 1 is 3. 3 and 2 is 5. 5 and 3 is 8. And so on. The botanical kingdom creates itself using the Fibonacci sequence, phyllotaxis, optimal light and rain for each leaf. Out of nothing, out of the ether, 1. It duplicates itself to another 1. 1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 1 is 3. 3 and 2 is 5, and so on. This is going to allow each number to be divided into the previous number until perfection, the golden ratio, the golden mean, 1.618. If you add star number 73 to star number 37, it has a sum total of 110. 0, the ether, 1, and it duplicates itself, the first 3 numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. Star number 73 multiplied by star number 37 has a product of 2701. This equals the Hebrew Gematria sum total value of Genesis 1 verse 1. The 2701, which is the 73rd triangle number. Logos in Greek has a sum total letter value of 373. In John 1 verse 1, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. The alchemical marriage of 37 and 73, and the Logos, the Word. The 26 letters of the English alphabet and their ordinal value. Robert Emil Brown has a sum total letter value of 194. Using the English septenary cipher, Robert Emil Brown has a sum total letter value of 58. Rob E. Brown has a sum total letter value of 28. 194 plus 58 plus 28 equals 280. The root value of 280 is 1. 194 equals the sum total of Hermes, Thoth, and Ganesha. 58 equals the Lord Jesus, and 28 equals the number of letters used in Hebrew for Genesis 1 verse 1. 14 phalanges per hand on human beings have a total of 28 joints or phalanges on the human hands. 58 plus 28 equals 86. That equals the Hebrew Gematria value for Elohim. Rob E. Brown has a sum total of 28, and Thoth has a sum total letter value of 28.